Airsoft gun review for you. Today we are reviewing the Colt on Duty AEG rifle. This rifle is about $60 on most stores, and it's an amazing beginner gun. It comes just like this with a red dot and grip, of course. Has 300 round plastic high cap magazine, a 7.2 battery, goes in the buttstock, iron sights obviously, red tip, and it's really good. Semi-auto save, of course. And shoots about 305 FPS and maybe 100 feet. Now, shooting test. Let's see how far this goes. Goes pretty far. Here. Have my camera guy walk down there and see how far it can shoot. Keep going. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 120 feet. The cons of this weapon are that it misspeeds a lot, like the magazine crap. Like, I've been having that problem, but not much other. It's amazing beginner. You can take all this off rails. I do not recommend a bigger battery. You'll just fry it, and that is it. See you guys later.